YouTube is changing monetization requirements again. Instead of making it easier, they're making it more difficult. So at the moment, the rules are the same, at least until February 1st, 2027. So for now, you need 4,000 hours of watch time in 365 days for long-form videos and 10 million views for shorts within the last 90 days. So the main thing that they're doing is they're doubling the requirements. So you're going to need 8,000 hours or 20 million views for shorts, that is. So how does that affect people already in the YouTube Partner Program? It doesn't. So everyone who's already in it, they don't have to meet these requirements. They're basically given a pass, grandfathered in, you know. But if I look at my channels, this channel already meets the 8,000 hour requirement. Just a bit above it, but I do achieve it. My other channels, my science fiction space game channel, it gets 56,000. Yeah, 56,000 watch time hours in 365 days. And that far exceeds it. My Minecraft channel, my main one, gets 77,000. Kind of interesting that it's not a lot more than my No Man's Sky videos or my science fiction ones. But there's a big reason. My No Man's Sky videos are often almost an hour long. So people are watching longer videos. So it's quite different. Monetization for that, at least as far as ad revenue goes, is higher RPM, but this is based on views, not watch time. Watch time doesn't really affect how much a channel earns. Well, if you've got over 8 minutes, then yeah, you can have extra ads throughout, but they don't always show, you know? So it doesn't affect anyone if you're already in the partner program, but it is going to make it more difficult for you to get into it. But if you're pushing, if you're almost there, almost at the 4,000 hours for long form, you can do it before February 1st. If you can do it before February 1st, then guess what? You're in. You don't have to worry about the 8,000 hours. At least I'm glad about that. It's hard enough to get in the first place, because it can take quite a while to get to that point. So you definitely have to work on it quite a bit. But I'm feeling okay for myself. I don't feel like it's going to be an issue for me at all, because it won't be. But if you are working towards getting into the YouTube Partner Program, then go for it. Try as hard as you can to get those hours before the deadline. Because after the deadline, then you have to go with the new rules. But hopefully you can make it. So I want to wish you good luck with that. Anyways, let me know what you think about the changes in the comments below. If you like videos like this and would like to see some more, then please consider subscribing to this channel as well as my main one. We'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.